Part 1. Are you wasting your mornings? Do you believe that waking up at the crack of dawn is only for morning people? What if I told you that the first hour of your day is not just for coffee and scrolling on your phone, but is, in fact, the most valuable time you have? What if the secret to achieving extraordinary success, improving your health, and finding inner peace all lies in how you use that 1 hour? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of Robin Sharma's global bestseller, The 5 a.m. Club. This book is much more than a simple guide to waking up early. It's a philosophy, a system, and a roadmap to creating a life of legendary productivity and profound inner growth. It's about taking ownership of your mornings so you can take ownership of your life. Sharma's core argument is that the first hour of your day, what he calls the victory hour, is your single greatest asset. While the rest of the world is still asleep, this is your time to set the tone for the day, to protect your mind from distraction, and to fill your own cup before you pour into others. This is the time to build your mental, physical, and spiritual strength. But let's be clear, this isn't just about the time on the clock. It's about what you do with that time. Waking up at 5 a.m. for no reason is not a solution. The real power comes from a precise, structured, and intentional routine that fuels your success. That routine is the foundation of the 5 a.m. Club, and it's built around a powerful formula that we're going to break down right now. In the following sections, we will explore the core tenets of Robin Sharma's work. We will examine the science behind the victory hour, reveal the simple formula that makes it so effective, and discuss how you can integrate these powerful strategies into your life, regardless of whether you consider yourself a morning person or not. The information we're about to share has the potential to fundamentally transform your days, weeks, and years to come. Part 2. The 20-20-20 Formula. The engine of your day. The heart and soul of the 5 a.m. Club is the 20-20-20 formula. This is the structure that turns your morning into a victory hour. It's designed to be done from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., but the principles can be applied to any 1-hour block you choose. The formula is beautifully simple: 20 minutes of movement, 20 minutes of reflection, and 20 minutes of growth. Let's look at each part in detail. The first 20 minutes. Move. The first third of your victory hour is dedicated to physical activity. This doesn't mean you have to run a marathon. It could be as simple as a brisk walk, a light jog, yoga, or a quick high-intensity workout. The goal here is not to burn calories, but to do 3 very specific things for your brain. First, it releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which allows you to start your day with a clear mind. Second, it releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and motivation. And third, it stimulates brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which actually helps create new neural connections. In short, this exercise makes you smarter, more focused, and happier. The second 20 minutes. Reflect. After your body is energized, the next 20 minutes are for reflection. This is the time for deep, quiet contemplation. This is your chance to think, plan, and organize your thoughts without distraction. Sharma recommends using this time for journaling. You can write about your feelings, your gratitude, or your goals. You can also use this time to review your daily and weekly plans. By reflecting on what's truly important, you prime your brain for a day of focused, purposeful action. Most people just react to their day. This practice allows you to intentionally create it. The third 20 minutes. Grow. The final 20 minutes of your victory hour are for personal growth. This is where you intentionally invest in yourself. This could involve reading a book, listening to a podcast, or watching an educational video. The key is to consume information that will make you better at your craft or as a person. The knowledge you gain during this time will directly fuel your creativity, your problem-solving skills, and your long-term success. Imagine doing this every single day for a year. That's more than 100 hours of pure, uninterrupted personal development. It's an investment in yourself that pays dividends for a lifetime. Part 3. The 4 Interior Empires and the 90-90-1 Rule. Beyond the 20-20-20 formula, Robin Sharma introduces other powerful concepts that reinforce the 5 a.m. club lifestyle. One of the most important is the idea of mastering your 4 interior empires. Sharma believes that to lead a successful life, you must continuously invest in and improve these 4 areas. They are your mindset, your heart set, your health set, and your soul set. Your mindset is about your psychology. It's about your beliefs, your perspective, and your thoughts. A strong mindset is one that is focused on growth, positivity, and resilience. Your heart set is about your emotions. It's about managing your feelings, practicing gratitude, and nurturing your relationships with compassion. Your health set is your physical well-being. This is where the first 20 minutes of movement in the victory hour come into play. It's about nutrition, sleep, and exercise. Finally, your soul set is your spirituality. This isn't necessarily about religion, but rather about connecting to your deeper purpose and values. The 5 a.m. Club is about building a system that allows you to work on each of these empires every single day. Sharma also stresses the importance of deep, focused work. He introduces the 90-90-1 rule, which suggests that for the next 90 days, you should dedicate the first 90 minutes of your workday to a single, most important project. In our current world, filled with distractions and constant interruptions, this kind of focused work is a superpower. By tackling your most challenging task first, when your mind is at its sharpest, you can make incredible progress in a very short amount of time. This rule perfectly complements the victory hour by extending that state of deep focus into your professional life. The 5 a.m. Club is not just about an early wake-up time, it's about a commitment to personal mastery. It's about understanding that real success is built from the inside out, by nourishing your mind, heart, body, and spirit. It's a holistic approach to living a life that is not only productive, but also meaningful and fulfilling. Part 4. Actionable Steps and Conclusion. How do you start? The idea of waking up at 5 a.m. can feel daunting, but you don't have to jump straight in. The best way to start is with a few simple, actionable steps. Start small. Begin by waking up just 15 minutes earlier than you normally do for a week. Once that feels comfortable, move it to 30 minutes. Slowly work your way towards 5 a.m. Plan your victory hour. Don't just wake up early without a plan. Decide what you'll do for your first 20 minutes of movement, your second 20 minutes of reflection, and your third 20 minutes of growth. Have a book and a journal ready the night before. Prioritize sleep. Waking up at 5 a.m. is only sustainable if you go to bed early enough to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This means making a conscious choice to shut down your devices earlier. The 5 a.m. Club provides a powerful blueprint for taking back control of your life. It's a challenge, but the rewards are profound. By dedicating the first hour of your day to yourself, you're not just creating better habits, you're building a stronger identity. You are becoming the kind of person who is disciplined, focused, and ready to conquer the day. If you found these insights valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and strategies for personal growth. In the comments below, tell us, what is one thing you will do differently with the first hour of your day, starting tomorrow? We'd love to hear about your journey.